Welcome to INA classes. Today I am taking the physics topic derive the relation between small g and capital G. Suppose this is the mass of the object and here another circle, and this is the ME, mass of the earth, and here is the center of both these object and the earth, and r is the radius from the center of the earth to the object, and F is the force exerted on the object. So according to the universal law of gravitation, which I have already explained, force is equal to G M. In this case it is the product of two masses, so here in this case mass of the earth and mass of the object by r square, where G is the gravitational constant. And now we know that acceleration exerted on the object is force exerted on the object by mass of the body. So we know that force is this value, so we write G M by r square and into this M. So M will get cancelled. So what are we left? We are left with A is equal to G ME by r square. This A is the independent acceleration towards the earth. Now this acceleration is developed into free falling acceleration due to gravity, that is G, and this G value will become G ME by r square. Here this is the mass of the earth. Now value of G is 9.8 meter per second square, where gravitational constant G value is 6.67, which I have already explained in my universal law of gravitation. 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now mass of the earth value is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. So this is our required relationship between this G ME by r square. This is the derived relation between G and capital G. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.